Hello and welcome to this video on how to navigate English 113 online fall semester 2018. I'm your instructor, Professor Jason Morgan. To learn more about me, you would check on About the Instructor. So this video here is designed to help you figure out how we navigate this class and how it all works and stuff. If you have been a student at Shaw University before, you should be fairly familiar with Moodle. Every professor does it a little bit differently, and so we're going to go over that. So if you have not watched the video that says taking an online class, watch me first, please stop this video and watch this one first. Okay, after you watch that one, then you're watching this one. Okay, so a little bit about this class. It is English 113. Of course, is online. Yes, it's online. Classes will start on Wednesday, August 15th, 2018. And what is required for this class? Well, you'll need a textbook, okay, which is called Odigia, and it's actually online, and you already have it when you registered for this class. It's already built in. It was and you can get to it. And we'll show you that in just a second. And then the other thing you'll need to do is get a copy of A Raisin in the Sun. You can get those. To get that copy of that book really anywhere. You can get it online, on Amazon. Any bookstore will have a copy of A Raisin in the Sun. That's the book we're reading for this class. So those are the required textbooks. Again, the Odigia, which is the digital textbook, you already have that it's already registered and you already have access to that. We'll show you that in a second. Okay, so there's that. So this class is broken up in 2 weeks. Every single week we're going to be doing something, and I'll show you how that works in a second. To access your grades, you can click here at any point in time, and it'll show you what grade you are currently earning in this class. This class uses a weighted grading system, so it shows you what you've earned compared to what was possible at that point in time. So if there's one assignment due and you have 100 on it, then you have 100 in the class. If there's 2 assignments, you got 100 on one and you got a 50 on the other, and they're weighted the same, then you would have a 75 in the class. So it shows you that your grades will show you what you're earning at that point in time as far as that, and that's clicked on by going to grades. Okay, this top section here, we have the introduction videos. We watched this one again. You can watch this one when you're done with this one. This one's short, about 2 minutes maybe, just a little bit about me. Just get a who is this guy that's helping you with this. Announcements, whenever I need to post an announcement about changes or clarifications, I post them here, and this will also send you an email to your Shaw email address. Okay. Attendance, you can check your attendance at any given time for this online class. How attendance works is if you submit one assignment per week, you're considering attending. That's not accessing it. It's not enough to just access the class. You have to submit something to be considered attending, and attendance is part of your grade. Okay, Odigia, what is this with the little thing? This is actually your digital textbook. So we're going to actually click on this now. So when you click on Odigia, it's going to open up a new window. And you got to click on this to open a new window. Now, since I'm logged in, it's going to show all the ones that I can see. So all you should be able to see is English 113 for this class. Okay, and then you would go to Open Course, and you would see, and then again, I haven't created this for this class yet, but then you would see the textbook. But that's how you would do it for English 113. But that's how you access that. Okay, so that's Odigia. And again, I'll send out another video once this is all set up to show you exactly how Odigia works. But it's digital. It's just you can access it on your phone. It's a lot cheaper to do it that way for you folks. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, let's go back to this class. Okay, so that's your textbook. That's how you access that. Okay, as a student at Shaw University, you can get Microsoft Word for free as a student. You just have to use your Shaw email address. I would recommend using Microsoft Word when writing your papers. So if you don't I don't have Word, well, yes, you do. You can get it for free. You just have to click on this link. It will take you there. This link right here, resources, this has a bunch of videos that will help you with different things that you need to be able to do during the class. So if you're not sure how to do something like Mla formatting or fixing something, chances are I have already created a video that helps you with that. So that's under resources. Alrighty, moving on. Okay, and the papers in this class will be written in Mla formatting. So here's an Mla example. You click on this, it'll download what an Mla paper should look like. Okay. Anyway, there's that. Also, even though this is an online class, you can get free tutoring help. Okay, with the Shaw's Writing Center. What you can do is you can call them at this number. Okay, and talk to them and figure out what the best way that they can help you. So that's again free. free, because as a student of SHA, you can have help, and you should get help with the Writing Center. They're fantastic, very nice folks. Okay, now, so you're like, okay, what do I do now? Well, again, what I would do at the beginning of the week. So the weeks go Monday through Sunday. Even though the class doesn't start till the 15th, I'm still doing all my weeks Monday through Sunday. So we go to the first week. You can either scroll down and find it there, or we can just click on this over here. And ta-da! By the way, this little side panel here, if you want to get rid of it, you just click on this. It goes away. If you want it to come back, you click on it again. It comes back. Ta-da! All right. So then each week is going to be along the lines of, okay, goals for the week. Okay, and then it talks about the things we're going to be doing. Become familiar with the course, review the syllabus, participate in an introduction discussion, begin reading Raisin in the Sun. And then I have a section for the items due. Okay, well, for week one, you're going to read the syllabus, post your introduction, and take the pretest. Now, to help you with this, every single week, I'm going to create a video like the one you're watching right now, which explains exactly what we're doing for the week and how to do it. And so I'll go through each step. So as you know, when you come in to work on this class, the first thing I do is watch the video for the week. That's where I explain what we're doing, remind you where we've been, where we're going, and I demonstrate and I show you how to actually do everything that we're supposed to be doing. Now, this class, as I'm making this video, is still in the process of being completed, so there's probably going to be some readings that are going to be added to here and stuff. There might be some stuff. But this is the general way that you're going to be doing it. Anyway, so that's basically how you navigate the class. You, again, just, you come in here, to get to your textbook, again, it's ODIGI, you click there to go to check your attendance, you click there. To check your grades, you click there. To work on any particular assignment, so let's say it's the week of September 3rd, I'd click on this and say, okay, what am I doing this week? And then I'd watch the video. And then after I watch the video, then I'll know what I need to do for that particular week. So one last thing that I'm going to kind of stress, and it's listed right here in week one, but it's very important. No late work is accepted for this class. This is very, very strict. And everything for this class, just about everything, there's some minor exceptions, but the due dates for all the assignments are on Friday nights. Okay, so plan accordingly. Oh, I've got plans on Friday night. I have to work on Friday night. Well, don't wait till Friday night. That's just when things are due. So you should know that for English 113, just about every Friday night, something is due. Now, there is one exception for this first week where we have something due on Sunday. But just, after that, every Friday night, something is due. You can work ahead a little bit. There are some times we have discussions where you can't work too far ahead. But that's the gist of how we are going to be handling this class. So know ahead of time what you're getting yourself into. Again, this no late work, I've heard from some students, actually the majority of the students, have actually appreciated this because they know that they have something to do and that gives them the motivation to get it done. And if it's just like, oh, you can turn in whatever, then there's not that drive and that motivation to get stuff done. Now, if something happens, you can contact me before the deadline, and I will determine whether or not I can give you an extension if you contact me before the deadline. If I wake up on Saturday morning, okay, so example, we have stuff that's due on the 24th, so on Saturday morning, I wake up on the 25th, and I go in to start grading stuff, and I get an email saying, oh, I had computer issues or stuff, and I couldn't submit the stuff. I'm going to say, well, it's too bad. You got a 0 on it, okay? So don't wait till the last minute to do stuff. Make sure you get your stuff done on time. Am I scared you yet? No. It actually will help, I promise. I promise having firm deadlines actually makes this class actually run better. And I can give you feedback quicker, which you can then use to make your next assignments even better. So there you go. If you have any questions, you can email me. Again, as we'll talk about next week, in week one, you have to email me using your SHA email address. Don't email me with your Google address or your Yahoo or whatever, okay? You have to email using your SHA email address. Okay, well, that's it for this video. Once you're done, watch the one about the instructor. Maybe become familiar with the stuff here in the top section. And then if you're ready to go ahead and watch the video that says week video. You're like, what are these cues here? That's just to let me know I've got to create those. That's just let me know, hey, Professor Morgan, make this video, because I haven't created this video yet for you to watch, but it will be by the time you're ready to start the class. Okay, well, that's it, and let's have a great semester.